I still have peace. I still believe I can conquer anything, and it's still by the grace.
Hello guys, you're all welcome back to my channel. This is Oriva for Eru Naturals. Yes, I know it's been a very long time, yeah, and I think in my last video I mentioned that I got married, and you know, that's why I was off, and I promised that I was going to keep posting videos because I was back, yeah, and then I went off again, and yeah, you know, I got pregnant this time, you know, after marriage and everything, and that's why you see my face is like this and all that. So, and it's not been easy, right? So I just decided to take some time off, but I've been getting requests on how to make a whitening soap, right? Because most of my clients, they like most of my clients don't like using cream. They complain, the weather is hot, so this soap that I want to show you today is my extra whitening soap. Yeah, you can use this soap without your lotion and it's still whitening you. Please, if you don't want to whiten your skin, don't go near this soap, because it will definitely whiten you. Okay, it will definitely whiten you. So yeah, I'm going to show you the soap, how to prepare it, and use it, and let me know how it works for you. And then after watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. Try and make your own. Let me know how it works for you. Also leave your comments in the comment section, right? I would also like to know what you would like for me to post next. Okay, so yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you are not already subscribing. Don't forget to also turn on your notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I put up a new video. Also, give me your thumbs up. I need them. All right, so let's get over to the workstation and let's get right into the video. See you. Hey guys, you're welcome to our workstation. So before I go ahead to mixing, I'm going to show you the ingredients we're using for our whitening soap, extra whitening soap. So here at I already have my base soaps here. In here I have my Larissa soap. That's it, Larissa soap, already grated in there. I have my bleaching soap. This is this has kojic acid. Yeah, as you can see, it's 5 times whitening, deep cleansing, anti-acne, and then it revitalizes you and smoothens your skin. I'm so sorry for the noise. Yeah. Also we have our K Brothers black spot soap. Yes, this one will clear out your dark spots on your body. So this soap is very good, and it also lightens as well. And then we have our Bavaria soap in there. This one is very wonderful. This soap is super awesome. Let me see if I can read some of the ingredients out. Okay, so here we have coconut oil in this soap. We have palm oil, and you know palm oil is very good. It's a very strong antioxidant for your skin. We have sodium hydroxide. These things are very glycerin, glutathione. These things whiten your skin. They are natural whitening agents. Yeah, so these are all the soaps I have in this my bucket. So yeah, the next thing I'm going to be using is Skinfree milk. Right, this is whitening and also keeps your skin very smooth. It gives you a very good complexion without any blemishes. Our body white oil, yes, this one, we know it's a whitening soap, so most of our ingredients are going to be whitening. Okay, This oil is very, 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 very good. It lightens your skin without any blemish. I have my Filipino set here. I'm going to mix it. This is the powder, and then that's the lotion. I'm going to mix that in the soap as well. I have my lactic acid for exfoliation. I don't just want this soap to whiten you, I also want it to exfoliate your skin deeply. Yes, so this soap is going to exfoliate your skin and leave it feeling silky smooth. Yeah, you know that feeling when you just scrub your body, and you know that smooth silky feeling. That's what you're going to have with this. And also I'm going to be using my grapeseed oil. This one I'm just going to add drops of it into the soap. Yeah, it's for treatment and all that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and mix all my ingredients into the soap. Okay, so I went ahead to mix my Filipino powder and solution together, and this is how it turns out. Yeah, so I'm just going to add that in there. Next thing I'm going to add is my Skinfree milk. And I'm going to do 1/4 cup because my soap is not so much. So I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of Skinfree milk. Next thing I'm going to be adding is my body white oil. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of my body white oil. For my lactic acid, I'm going to do 1 teaspoon. That's 5 ml. And then for my grapeseed oil, I'm going to do 10 drops. So that's everything I'm adding into my extra whitening soap. I'm going to cover this for about 2-3 days and allow it to soak, and then I'm going to blend it and show you how it looks at the end of the day. So yeah, okay, so yeah, I have all my ingredients in here, so I'm going to cover this and allow it to soak and just melt, so I don't have to pound. Yeah, I'm going to allow it to soak and melt, and then on the 3rd day I'm going to blend this and show you how it looks. So see you in 3 days time. Okay, welcome back, guys. Yes, so I promised you that after 3 days I was going to show you how our extra whitening soap looks like after we have left it to soak and melt before we blend. So yeah, we have blended today, and I want to show you the final look of how the soap turned out. It's super creamy, and trust me, this is going to whiten your skin even without the use of your lotion or your body cream, like I said before. So stay tuned while I show you. Okay, so this is the final look of how our soap turned out. It's super creamy, and trust me, this lathers a lot. Yes, so like I said, you can use this soap without your lotion or your body cream, and you're still going to get a white skin tone. Please, like I said in the beginning of this video, if you don't plan to whiten your skin, do not try this at all, because it is going to whiten you. It is really going to whiten you. And yes, I'm on my whitening journey, so I'm going to be using this soap after I put to bed. Yes, so I had to stop using every product, right? Because I'm pregnant and all, I can't use stuff on my body right now. So after I put to bed, I'm going to use this soap, and you guys are going to see how effective it is. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys so much for staying tuned with us. Thank you for always being here to watch my videos when I put them up. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel, give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, yes, and leave your comments in the comment section below. I would like to hear from you. And also, please, like I said, I've been getting requests on stuff I should post on my channel. So yeah, leave your comment asking me questions, whatsoever questions you have, and whatever video you'd like to see next, right? Okay, even though right now I'm kind of heavy, I'm going to do my very best to serve you. Okay, that's why I'm here. Yes, please, if you are not already subscribing to my channel, please hit the red button that says subscribe. It's free of charge. YouTube is not going to charge you, neither am I. Okay, so just go ahead and become a subscriber. Yes, put on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I put up a new video. Give me your likes and leave your comments for me. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.